Hey everyone! Tonight is the first night of Hanukkah. My husband made some latkes for me earlier, but I'm going to make a more substantial meal now. He had to rush off to work, so we didn't really have time for a full meal, so he'll have something when he gets home. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Gardein Crabless crab cakes here for this recipe that I'm making, and it's going to be a black salt crab cake mixture with different veggies and rice. We got some carrots here. We got some kind of like a bok choy, but it's a Gai Ian or choy. Got some ginger here. We got some garlic, and we have some jasmine rice. We have black salt, some ponzu lime sauce, mirin sauce, and we have veggie demi-glace. We have like Cantonese spice blend which includes brown sugar, sea salt, white sesame seeds, garlic, ginger, and black pepper. So we're gonna go ahead and get organized here. So we're just gonna fill up the pot here with 1.5 cups of water. And set it on medium heat. So we'll just wait for the water to boil before we put in the rice. We're going to chop the carrots and the bok choy, or whatever it's called. What is it called? Jian. We're gonna chop the jian and the carrots, okay? Everything has been washed and dried. There may be a little excess moisturizer. There may be a little bit of excess water, but not too much. It's just right. Everything's just fine. So we're gonna chop them on an angle. You can do multiples at once or just one at a time, whatever you're comfortable with. Trying to keep the slices even. Our water's boiling. We're gonna add some rice, demi-glace. Rice has been washed. And some salt. A big pinch, roughly. We'll just give that a stir. Oops. So since it's pretty much at a boil, we're going to cover this, reduce the heat, and we're going to simmer it for 14. We can put the timer on. 14 to 16 minutes, so we'll just check on it. We're going to chop this up. Kind of in the bite-sized pieces, more or less. As you get towards the stem, you can make pieces smaller because the stem is thicker. You'll discard the bottom, obviously. All the bottoms, not just one bottom. We're gonna finely chop the cilantro. Here we go, some finely chopped, well, not finely chopped, but it's chopped to our liking. Cilantro. We're gonna mince the garlic. Chop off ends. Oops, I guess it's too bright. There we go. Don't worry, I'm not cutting myself. Here we have the ginger. It still has a peel on it, so you can just use a spoon to peel it actually, and it works really well. Now we're mincing the ginger. So we have our minced ginger as well. So in a decently sized pan, we're going to add some oil over medium heat. We're adding some olive oil. So we're going to add half the ginger and half the garlic as well. So it looks like it's time to add the veggies. So here we have the garlic and ginger sizzling away in the pan. Carrots. Woo! Wild. So we have another pan out for the crabless crab cake. Letting the oil heat up over here. Both are on medium heat here. The crabless crab cakes on the pan here, veggies here, and we're going to add some sauce into the veggies. It's called mirin, and then some ponzu sauce, and then the remaining demi-glace in these veggies with some of the spice blend that I have here. So we're adding half of this mirin sauce that I have, approximately. And about half the ponzu sauce. We're going to add half of this Asian style spice blend. We'll add some veggie stock here. Okay, so now for the veggie crab cakes, we're gonna add some mirin, some ponzu, and vegan butter here. turn off the heat because it's still going to be hot, so just leave it be. And we're going to add some of this Asian sauce now. Asian spice. We're adding the Asian spice to the pan. Now we're going to plate everything here. Black salt here. Just give it a sprinkle. And our cilantro. And there you have it, a nice, simple, nutritious vegetarian meal. Enjoy. Bon appétit.